Hey guys, it's Star the Flippin' Hippo, and welcome to Hasty Hippo Hints, where I'm going to teach you tips and tricks of the reselling trade in under 5 minutes. Let's get to it. So today I'm just going to quickly show you how to set up templates in the back end of eBay. And templates are great for having on hand so you can quickly and efficiently list a lot of items in a session. It allows you to fill in as little or as much as you'd like in a preset listing that you go in and you just add your photos and details of the item. So I'll go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. The way I get to them, I go to my seller hub and I go to the listings here and I just pick active. And on the side you'll see listing templates right here, and that's what you want to click. Now if you don't have any set up yet, this area here would be blank. You can see I have several here that I use. So if you were going to create a new one, you'd go to this beautiful blue button up here on the right, create new template. I'm going to go ahead and open that in a new tab to go over it with you guys. So when you're creating your new template, it's going to look like a listing, and you're just going to pre-fill in common things that are going to be on every listing. And like I said before, you can do as little or as much as you would like. And you fill it in like you would a listing, going down. And at the end you say save template, and then it will save here in this list. And I'm going to go ahead and show you my jeans that I have set up. And when you're here, edit is always your first choice. You have to click this little arrow to the side and you can delete from here. You can copy your template so you can quickly create more templates, or create listing, which is what I'm choosing now to show you mine. So you can see I have it pre-filled in women's jeans, so I would just have to add in my brand and my size and then any details, if they were boot cut, if they were low rise, etc. And I have my categories pre-listed here. I keep all my templates on pre-owned, good condition, gently worn. On the rare occasions I find new with tags, it's a simple drop-down choice. Here's where you add your photos. I know that a lot of you do your drafts and save them on the computer and then upload your photos from the phone, so you would skip this. If you do your entire listing on the computer like me, this is where you would add your photos in. And it'll pick up from your title a lot of the details that you fill in here on the item specifics. The item specifics. And so you can just click add, 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 and then whatever it missed, you would just put in yourself. And you can have more pre-filled in than I do. If you list a lot of similar items, you can fill in a lot of this information ahead of time, or you can be vague like me and fill in what you need. I already have in the description our template here that we use, and so I would just have to put in what they're buying, and I usually just copy paste my title, and then I fill in the details here for the measurements and the size, which I write on scratch paper and take a photo of that paper with the pair of jeans as I'm measuring them and getting their photos. And then down here I always have it set for a fixed price, 30 days. I already have it letting the buyers make the offers. I have it set to PayPal. I have it set for free shipping on the padded flat with my second option for them to pay. Having a second option on shipping allegedly helps you go up in search rankings, just an FYI. And then I already have it filled in down here for the weight. So you can see you can put in as much information as you'd like or as little as you'd like to be specific. It just depends on what you want to do, and it's that simple. Thank you for joining us today on Hasty Hippo Hints. If you liked this video, please do me a favor and smash the like button down below. If you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to our channel and help feed a hungry hippo. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We are at Flippin' Hippos. Until next time, you guys have a good night.